Hello, welcome to our channel. Today we are going to talk about costing of virtual machines. So we have number of resources in Azure, which we can see in the All Resource tab in the Azure portal. So let's take an example. If we want to check pricing for virtual machine resources, then how will we check it? So for that, we'll go to this portal, this page where we are getting the pricing details of virtual machines. So here we can see that we have the option pay as you go. What does it mean? Pay as you go means we are paying only for our usage. How much we use, we will pay only for that. So take an example. We have a free Azure account and we are choosing a configuration which is not a part of the free tier. So if we are choosing this configuration, then we will be having some charges associated with this configuration. And how will be they charged? So initially we get $200 credited to our Azure free account. So the charges will be cut from that account, or whatever credit we have available in that account. So we have to consider while selecting the options what is the pricing whenever we are choosing the configuration. So to understand the details of the pricing, we have this pricing page for the virtual machines. Also we see that here for same region, uh, so for same configuration, we have prices varying as per the regions. So the region plays an important part. So here for an example, you can see the charges at the moment are different. Like for this configuration, we have 0.0104 per hour charges. I'll select UK West and let's see, the charges are different. Okay, so they vary as per your region. Also we see here we have caption as pay as you go with AHB. So what is AHB? AHB is nothing but Azure Hybrid Benefit Pricing. So if I switch off this option, you will see the prices are higher without this option. So now we can see the prices with Azure Hybrid Benefit. Then apart from the virtual machine pricing, there are other resources as well. So for an example, we have IP address. So whenever we create Azure virtual machine, the wizard will always create a basic dynamic IP address for us associated with that virtual machine creation. So that pricing we can check here. So here you can see, so again this pricing is different for different regions. Here you can see it is charged per hour for IP address. Here also it is charged per hour basis. Then we have disks. So for disks we can go to the pricing page. Here also it is varying as per region, and you can see here that the price is per month basis. So we have different configuration available here, and we can select the required configuration, and we can check the charges for the configuration which are mentioned. So when we are looking at these resources, there are other resources as well, such as virtual network, network security group, network interface. So for these resources, we have no cost associated with them. So they are having no cost associated with them. So we have, whenever we are selecting any configuration for our virtual machine, we can go into these pages and we can select the configuration as per our pricing, whichever pricing we are okay with. So these are the portals. I'll mention these links in the description tab for the benefit. Thank you.